If you've ever opened your under sink cabinet and thought, why is this space always such a mess? You're not alone. Under sink storage can be so awkward. Pipes, tall bottles, little backups rolling around. It just gets chaotic fast. So today I'm setting up the Kids Storac under sink organizer, and I'm using one under my kitchen sink and one under my bathroom sink because when something actually works, I want it everywhere. What I love right away is the three-tiered design. It gives you the extra vertical storage without taking up more floor space, which is exactly what under-sink cabinets need. And the best part is it's height adjustable. So you can customize it depending on what you store. In my kitchen, I'm making room for taller, cleaner bottles and sprays. And in the bathroom, I'm using it for toiletries, extras, and all those I'll need that someday items that I usually end up like in a pile in the back. So let's talk about the slide out drawers because this is the feature that changes everything. Instead of digging around and knocking things over, you can just pull the shelves out smoothly and actually see what you have. No bending, no guessing, no losing things in the dark corners. It also feels really sturdy. The frame is thick, it has a reinforced edge, and it comes with suction cups and adhesive pads to help keep it stable so when you pull out the drawer, it doesn't wobble around. This is one of those simple home upgrades that instantly makes your space feel calmer and more put together. And honestly, that's my favorite kind. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.